In the heart of a bustling hospital ward, laced with whispers and the sterile scent of antiseptics, Dr. Amira Lewis found herself pondering an extraordinary phenomenon. She had seen it more than once: a feeble patient, motionless and silent for days, suddenly awakening with remarkable clarity and vigor, only hours before death. It was a mystery that science tiptoed around, but she was determined to understand the truth hidden within. The phenomenon is called terminal lucidity, and contrary to common belief, it is not a fantasy spun by grieving families. Patients with disorders that rob them of memory, speech, or understanding, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, or even advanced brain tumors, would often experience an unexpected and profound revival. They'd recognize loved ones, hold meaningful conversations, even recall long-lost memories, as if the shadow of illness had lifted for a brief, miraculous moment. Captured in dozens of medical journals and whispered through generations of nurses and carers, terminal lucidity is a true fact, rare, but mesmerizingly real. Consider Mrs. Bishop. She had not uttered a word for 3 years, her thoughts locked in a labyrinth. One autumn evening, her daughter visited, expecting only silence. Instead, Mrs. Bishop managed a fragile smile, called her daughter's name, and reminisced about childhood adventures beneath willow trees. The next morning, she peacefully passed away, her final hours marked by clarity that defied her years of illness. No one knows precisely why this ability emerges. Just before death, the human mind sometimes appears to gather its fading energy, activating regions thought compromised. Some scientists speculate a surge in neurotransmitters grants lucidity, or perhaps the brain reconfigures itself in last moments, like a flickering lamp shining its brightest before extinguishing. Others offer poetic explanations. Maybe, in facing mortality, something deep within the human spirit rallies for one final communication. Dr. Lewis often wondered if terminal lucidity was the mind's way of offering a gentle closure, a gift of farewell to loved ones. It is not something that can be forced, nor is it guaranteed for everyone. But whenever she observed it, a grandmother recalling her wedding day, a grandfather chuckling at a forgotten joke, she felt humbled by the resilience of the human soul. So when someone you know seems to awaken with uncharacteristic clarity near life's end, remember this is real, a testament to the mind's mysterious powers. Terminal lucidity reminds us that as the curtain falls, the human spirit might just shine in one last, extraordinary act.